Good morning, students. We are continuing our integers chapter. In the previous video, we have learnt about patterns. We have learnt about some formulas, how to add and subtract integers, and we have also learnt about patterns. At the end of the video, I am going to give you some homework on the patterns also. But now in today's video, we are going to start exercise 1.1. First chapter, first exercise 1.1. Now, first Roman. Let me read the problem. They have given a number line. On the number line, the temperature of various cities are shown. See, temperature of Lahore, Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore. They have given the temperatures recorded in these 5 cities on one particular day. Now, let me write the temperatures of each place. That is our first question, A1. Observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Now, listen carefully. I am starting from 0. I am going to positive side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the temperature recorded in Shimla? Temperature recorded in Shimla is plus 5. See, first answer, Shimla. Plus 5 degree Celsius. Temperature recorded in Shimla is plus 5 degree Celsius. Now, next, temperature recorded in Ooty. What is the temperature recorded in Ooty? Ooty. See, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, temperature recorded in Ooty is plus 14 degree Celsius. Next, what is the temperature recorded in Bangalore? 20, 21, 22. So, the temperature recorded in Bangalore is plus 22 degree Celsius. Why I am writing plus for these 3 cities? Because they are on the positive side. Now, let us see about the negative side. See, I am starting from 0 and I am traveling left side. -1, -2. So, the temperature recorded in Srinagar is -2 degree Celsius. -2. These all are negative numbers. Next, temperature recorded in Lahore, Spiti. I am writing the name. Temperature recorded in this city. What is the temperature recorded in this city? See here, -5, -6, -7, -8. So, these are the temperatures recorded on that particular day in different cities, 5 cities. I will revise the problem once again. Listen carefully. They have given the number line. They have represented 5 different cities. And we have to observe the number line and we have to write the temperature recorded in each city. Listen, Shimla plus 5, Ooty plus 14 degrees Celsius, Bangalore plus 22 degrees Celsius. Now come to left side, negative side. Srinagar -1 and -2. Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Next, Lahore, Spiti -5, -6, -7, -8 degree Celsius. Yes, B1. What is the difference between the hottest and coolest places? Which is the hottest place? Bangalore is the hottest place. And which is the coolest place? Lahore, Spiti is the coolest place. Now, we have to find the difference between these 2 cities. Difference in the temperature between these 2 cities. Now, temperature recorded in Bangalore. Temperature recorded in Bangalore is plus 22 degrees Celsius. plus 22. Now, temperature recorded in Lahore Spiti. Temperature recorded in Lahore Spiti is how much? We have done in the problem A. It is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8. Now we have to find difference between these two places. Difference between the temperatures. Difference between the temperatures recorded in these two cities. Difference between the temperature recorded in these two cities. What is the difference? See, listen carefully. Whenever we are finding the difference, bigger number should be written first. So, I am writing bigger number first. We are finding the difference. So, I am writing minus. And smaller number. What is the smaller number? Minus 8. So, I am writing minus 8. Observe this step very carefully. We should find the difference between the two places. Difference between temperature recorded in Bangalore and the temperature recorded in Lahore Spiti. So, the temperature recorded in Bangalore is plus 22. Temperature recorded in Lahore Spiti is minus 8. We have to find the difference between them. Now, yesterday when we are discussing about addition and subtraction of integers, I told you an important formula. See here, I am writing here A minus of minus B. A minus of minus B should be written as A plus B because minus into minus is plus. In the same way, 22 minus of minus 8 is written as 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. So the answer is 30 degrees Celsius. I will explain once again, listen very carefully. They are asking the temperatures recorded between two cities. Between Bangalore, it is the highest temperature, and Lahore Spiti, it is the lowest temperature. To find the difference, we have to subtract. When we are subtracting, bigger number should be written first. Subtraction symbol, and smaller number we have to write next. Now, minus into minus is plus. So, 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius is plus 30 degrees Celsius. Next, C1. C1. I am reading the question. What is the temperature difference? Temperature difference means subtraction. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? See, what is the temperature recorded in Lahore Spiti? Temperature recorded in Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8. And what about Srinagar? It is minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now, we have to find the difference between these two temperatures. When we are finding the difference, bigger number should be written first. Now, out of these two numbers, which is the bigger number? On the number line, on the negative side, a number which is near to 0 has more value. It is bigger number. A number which is far from 0 is having lesser value. So, minus 2 is near to 0 or minus 8 is near to 0. Minus 2 is near to 0. So, this is the bigger number. So, when we are finding the difference, bigger number should be written first. And we are finding the difference. So, write minus. Next, we have to write the temperature of the smaller number. Minus 8 degree Celsius. Observe this step very carefully. They are asking to find the difference between the given two cities. Now, when we are finding the difference, always bigger number should be written first. First, we should understand which is the bigger number. A number on the negative side, I am talking about negative side. A number which is very near to 0 is bigger number. A number which is far from 0 is smaller number. So, by using that concept, minus 2 is bigger number, minus 8 is smaller number. So, from minus 2, I am subtracting minus 8. Now, I have told you already, minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. This we have discussed in our previous video. So, minus 2 I am writing as it is. Minus into minus is plus 8 degrees. And last step. See, I am doing last step here. When one number is positive, one number is negative, what should we do? When the signs are opposite, we have to subtract. I have told you already in the previous video. When we are subtracting, don't see the sign. From the bigger number, subtract the smaller number. What is 8 minus 2? 8 minus 2 is 6. After writing the answer, the bigger number has which sign? Plus. Answer also will have same sign. So, plus 6. So, the answer is plus 6 degree Celsius. I will explain once again. Listen. We have to find the difference between these two cities. Temperature recorded in these two cities on a particular day. To find the difference, bigger number should be written first, smaller number should be written next. Between, we have to keep different sign. Minus into minus is plus. 8 minus 2 is plus 6 degree Celsius. Next, D1. We completed first Roman A1, B1, C1. Now we are doing the last problem in the first question, D1. I am reading the question, listen carefully. Can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together means addition. See, temperature of Srinagar. I am writing temperature of Srinagar. What is the temperature of Srinagar? Minus 1 and minus 2. Srinagar's temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. And what is the temperature of Shimla? Shimla temperature is plus 5 degrees Celsius. They are asking to find the sum. They are using the word together. So, let me find the sum of these two cities. See, minus 2 plus 5. What is the sum? When the numbers are different, when the signs are different, what should we do? Subtraction. Don't see the sign. What is 5 minus 2? Tell me. 5 minus 2 is 3. I am writing 3. And the bigger number is having which sign? Plus sign. So, answer also will be plus 3. So, the difference between the temperature of these two cities is plus 3 degree Celsius. Now, what they are asking? They are asking, is this difference less than Shimla? Is this temperature less than Shimla temperature? Is 3 degrees Celsius less than 5 degrees Celsius? Yes, 3 degrees is less than 5 degrees. So, for first one, answer is yes. The temperature, I am writing the step, listen carefully. The temperature taken together means which cities together? These two cities together is less than the temperature at Shimla. See, they are asking to find the sum of these two temperatures. They are using the word together. Together means sum. So, when we find the sum of these two temperatures, we got plus 3. Now, is plus 3 less than plus 5? Yes, plus 3 is less than plus 5. So, I wrote yes. The temperature taken together means of these two cities together is less than the temperature at Shimla because plus 3 is less than plus 5. So one part in D1 is completed. In D1 we have another part also. I will explain second part after the first part. Now second part in D1 they are asking, is this temperature less than the temperature of Srinagar? This temperature is less than the temperature at Shimla. It is yes. Now they are asking, is this difference less than temperature at Srinagar? What is the temperature at Srinagar? Temperature at Srinagar is minus 2 degrees. Is plus 3 less than minus 2? No, plus 3 is greater than minus 2. So I am writing answer no. The difference between these two cities is not less than the temperature. It is not less, it is plus 3 is not less than minus 2. It is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. It is not less than the temperature recorded at Srinagar. So we have completed first Roman A, B, C, D. Now I will give you homework in the patterns which we have discussed in the previous video. Yes, in our previous video I have given you 2 problems homework in patterns topic. Now these are the remaining 3 because I want to give you homework 5 problems. So that 2 problems I explained already in the previous video. Now these 3 problems I am explaining now. Listen carefully. They have given 3 numbers. First number is 3, second number is 6, third number is 9. Observe the pattern in these numbers and you have to write the next 3 numbers. See how 3 becomes 6? 3 plus 3 is 6. How 6 becomes 9? 6 plus 3 is 9. Now what will 9 become? If we add, here we are adding plus 3. Here also we are adding plus 3. Here also we should add plus 3. That is called patterns. Pattern is repeating. So what is 9 plus 3? Like that we have to find the next 3 numbers. Now second pattern. 4, 9. How will 4 become 9? By adding which number? Plus 5. How will 9 become 5? By adding plus 5. So the pattern, the rule is plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 5. Like that you can find the remaining numbers. Next one. This I will not explain. I think by reading this, by listening to this, you can easily understand what is the pattern. So along with those 2 problems, we have to do these 3 problems also, and we have to take the picture clearly and send me in the homework region.